Hello people, welcome back. John, let's bake this beef recipe together. So here is my pre-washed beef. I added in my bay leaf, salvio herb, rosemary, white and red onion, mayonnaise, ketchup, my mixed spices, as usual, oregano, powdered onion, paprika, pepper, ginger, garlic, thyme, salt, seasoning cube. So I will marinate it properly until it is properly combined. All my new subscribers, my old and my new, really do appreciate. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos, to like and to share and to subscribe. I really do appreciate. So it's properly mixed. I'll cover it and let it be there for 1 hour. So yes, after 1 hour, I will pour to my oven tray. I preheated my oven to 220 for 15 minutes, depending on your oven. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube. Lady B Varieties is the name. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So this recipe, guys, we are using it for dinner. Just chew and step it down with wine. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.